Welcome to the channel. We are going to unbox EAZYRC 118 scale 4x4 Chevrolet RC truck. Looks so nice. So this is 118 scale 4-wheel drive Glacier RC truck. LiPo battery. It has got shock absorbers, 9 gram turbo. It's ready to run. 2.4 gigahertz controller. Nice details. 2.4 gigahertz controller. It needs 3 AA batteries. LiPo charger. Wrench. Instruction manual. LiPo battery safety. Let's see the instruction manual. Function of the controller. Install the batteries. Introduction. Warnings. Setting the gear mesh. Charging the battery. LiPo battery warning. Spare parts list. Really soft tires. Plastic drive shaft. Plastic suspension links. Suspension feels quite good. It's soft. 5-wire 9 gram servo. Controller needs 3 AA batteries. On-off switch. You can see few buttons on the transmitter. The left side is steering trim and the right side is throttle trim. And there are no more functions on this controller. So it's fully proportional. You can go slow, a little bit faster, and you can go really fast. And the steering is proportional as well. You can see the indicator lights are also working, and the reverse lights also work. I really love the looks of this truck and can't wait to drive her outside. Let's see how good she is. I will see you outside.